Hi, it's Lynette here. So if you watched one of my previous latest in beauty videos, you'll know that I forgot to pick. It's just been one of these months and it just kind of flew past without me realising. First time I have ever forgotten to pick a box. And I wasn't kind of too thrilled with what I got. I did take out the hand gel cleanser. Or the hand gel, whatever it's called. So you know the stuff we all used during kind of COVID. I did take that out, but there's 8 items in the box. I didn't hear back from Latest in Beauty, so I thought somebody else might really appreciate this box. A lot of the products are good, but a lot of them are repeats for me, and I thought, do you know what, I'd rather give somebody else the opportunity who would like this box to win this box. So all you need to do below, if you want to enter, is let me know your favourite product from the box and be a subscriber to the channel. So here is the box. There are 8 items that will be included in this giveaway. The first one is a brand called Knight & Wilson, and it's Instant Healthy Hair Hydrating Mask. So there's 2 hydrating masks there. I've got quite a lot of hair masks. I use them quite a lot actually. The next one is Pacifica, and it's Vegan Collagen Overnight Recovery Cream. Now we're actually these 2 products aren't actually too bad. They are not repeats for me, but I thought, I'm not going to give away the box and take out lots of products. The Sally Hansen Eco Rose, I think it's called, is a repeat for me, so happy to give that away. The Sukin Brightening Radiance Gel Cleanser. Sukin's a fab brand, I really like it, but there you go. There is also, this is no good for me. I already got one of these, but I got it in the blonde, and it's Ponytail Secret, the secret to your dream ponytail. So even if you're entering the box and you've not got that colour of hair, you can always pass it on if you win. There is a little Lumine Brightening Gel Mask. Lumine is a fantastic brand. I have the little tinted moisturiser, I think it is, and for this size it was worth £15. So even though this is quite small, it'll probably be quite expensive, and it's a really good brand. What else do we have in here? 7. What there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe something else in here that I've missed. There is, I knew I got 9 items, and this is 8 greens made from real greens. It's 10 food supplement tablets. There we go. It's probably the one in the box that I'm least keen on, but I remember somebody in the comments saying that it wasn't too bad. They had tried it, and last but not least, Dr. Lip BFF, and it says face, hand, body, delicate areas, multi-use skincare. So I think you could use that like a little lip balm, or a bit like the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. It's got lots of multiple uses. So I'm just going to recap the box. We have the Sukin Radiance Gel Cleanser, the Pacifica Vegan Collagen, the 2 hair masks, the green, super green things, the Dr. Lip, the Sally Hansen Eco Rose, the Lumine Brightening Gel Mask, and the Secret Ponytail. So I'm not going to actually keep this giveaway open for too long, but if you're interested, as I said before, below, just let me know what your favourite item is and be subscribed to the channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.